James Arthur, Trainwreck. First time reaction coming up in 30 seconds. Hey, how about keeping it down in the cheap seats, huh? This is Matt Criscuolo coming to you up close and personal with another first-time reaction. This one came requested by my buddy George Ibrahim. I'm going to do this guy, James Arthur, and see, what he's all about. So, hey, listen, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe so we can stay in touch. Huh? Smash that bell icon. That way you get notifications. Anyway, let's go do this.
Silence, waiting for the siren signs, any signs I'm alive still. I don't wanna lose it, but I'm not getting through this. Hey, should I pray? Should I pray? Yeah. To myself, to a God, to a Savior who can unbreak the broken, unsay these broken ones, find hope in the hopeless. Roll me out the train wreck, unbind the ashes, unchain the reactions. Now not ready to die, not yet. Pull me out the train wreck, pull me out, pull me out, pull me out, no, no, no. Pull me out, pull me out.
A lot of feeling, great voice.
Underneath our bad blood, we still got a sanctum home, still a home, still a home, yeah. It's not too late to build it back, 'cause a 1 in a million chance is still a chance, still a chance, and I will take those odds. Unbreak the broken, unsay these spoken words, find hope in the hopeless. Pull me out the train wreck, unbind the ashes, unchain the reactions. Now I'm not ready to die, not yet. Pull me out the train wreck.
Nice.
Pull me out, pull me out, pull me out. No, 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 no. Pull me out, pull me out. Well, you can say what you like, don't say I wouldn't die for it. I'm down on my knees and I need you to be my good, be my help, be your savior who can unbreak the broken, unsay these reckless words.
Nice voice.
Pull me out the train wreck, unbind, unsay these spoken words. No, no, no. Pull me out the train wreck, pull me out, pull me out. No, 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 no. Pull me out, pull me out.
Okay, wow, a lot of textures and colors in his voice. I enjoyed the texture and the colors. I liked his voice. I liked the way he delivers the music. I like the way he, commits to the performance, and he's a true artist. Obviously, you can hear it, you can see it. The song itself is not the kind of song that really knocks me out, to be honest with you. I mean, it's it's got that very, is very simply diatonic, what they call diatonic, traditional kind of pop kind of tune, and it's it doesn't really knock me out. I don't go for that kind of stuff myself. I'd like to hear him sing some other stuff, with more interesting twisties and turnies in the chord progressions, with some other colors in the palette the spectrum of sound. I'd like to hear more colors. He just painted with red right now. There was a lot of red, and it was, I mean, I don't mean to rain on your parade. Hey, George, man, the guy is amazing. He's another one of those freak shows that when you hear the voice, you go, oh my God, here's another one of those huge talents. The guy's a great talent. I want to hear more of his music. But the man is he's top notch. James Arthur looks like a young guy too, and boy, can he sing. I'm looking forward to seeing more of him. Actually, it's not like I wouldn't want to hear more of him myself. But hey, but who am I? I'm just some guy. Anyway, I wanted to thank my Patreon members. Real quickly, I wanted to just give a shout out to Paul Clark, Elmar Winkler, George Ibrahim, Don G, and some guy. That's his name. Hey, listen! Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay in touch. It's nice to be important, but it's more important to be nice. And listen, you take it easy, and if it's real easy, take it twice.